Welcome back to Ignition B Driving School. So in this episode now we're gonna talk a little bit more deeper about push and pull steering method. Push and pull steering method is the easiest way, but also at the same time it's very advanced. It's very easy. So whenever you want to make a right turn, you use your right hand first. And if you're making your left turn, you use your left hand. Right corner, right hand. Left corner, left hand. Let's see how it goes in the practice. I'm gonna make a left turn now. Left on the top, right, left. Then I hold it with both hands. Now I'm trying to counter steer. Right hand down, left hand, right hand, left hand. Until it back to 9 and 3 position. Now the car going straight. Now we come to a right corner. So my right hand gonna be on the top of the steering, turning it slowly, pull it down and hold it with both hands. Counter steer, again, the opposite action. We come to a little bit of straight, this is easy corner, I steer with both hands. For light corner, steer both hands up to 12 o'clock. Now we come to another right corner. So my right hand gonna be on the top of the steering, pull it down and hold it with both hands, and you can adjust it during the cornering. Now we come to a left corner. Left hand gonna be in the top, left hand pull the steering down, give it to your right hand, hold it with both hands, and then now you come to steer again. I'm gonna play you some slow motion video so you can see better and understand better. We're going to make a left turn, left hand on the top, give it to your right and left and right and left and hold it, and then try to counter steer. Right hand, left hand goes top, right hand, left hand, and then you're back to a straight position. Ta-da! We will give you another example of push and pull method. Now we're gonna repeat this one with slow motion. I know it's awkward in the beginning. Start from small move, that's fine, like a crab walk. But more you're doing it, more it will comes very natural. Like this. Okay, try to avoid using one hand like this. Or like this. This is what we call with DJing driver hand. Also avoid to put your hand from the inside of the steering like this. And also avoid using your finger to steer the car like this. Wow. Also avoid to letting your hands off from the steering or throwing the steering off like this. Okay, hope it will be useful for all of you. Drive safe and see you again.